next episode. Barbecue with Greg.
Smell the smoke. The time is here for Barbecue with Greg. Your friendly mate who enjoys a barbie. Barbecue with Greg. Tips and tricks you'll never thought of. Fish or chicken or pig or cow or sheep or bronze, he just knows how. Beer or whiskey or cider or pop, and sometimes Jaeger shots, Jaeger shots. Barbecue with Greg. Grab a bev and join the party. Barbecue with Greg. Sit right down, it's time to start. It's Barbecue with Greg.
Hi. Apologies up front for the fucking wind. It is windy. That's not really telling the story, is it? It's windy, okay. Oh. Coal Spesh. Just gonna do something that I think is fun to do. Undoing the good butchering work that Coles has done to this sausage to make it more fun to barbecue with. Whew. Whoa. Okay. Just close the bottom vents there. Cut off the oxygen supply. Alright, so undoing the butcher's good work. Hopefully this works out. There we go. So you know how they say about don't mix your raw meats with your cooked meats once it's cooked, because you know, bad for you. Clean. Marrying this sausage with a mixture of this hot sauce, which got from the Dalesford Farmers Market when I went there with Ange for a little mini holiday, and guys, it's fucking delicious. Fucking delicious. And a bit of the old fucking Coles chutney. But one of the benefits I find from cooking sausage, rather than in little bits and pieces, unraveling it and then turning it into a twist, you're going to get like gnarly bits here and there, and then on the insides you're still going to get, it's all different texture, you know. So rather than just whacking in a bit of bread and, you know, smother it in cheese and shit, actually enjoy the fucking sausage, you know what I mean? See what I mean here? It's like that's going to get burnt, right? That's, in the end, that's going to get burnt. But you're going to get that in combination with these inside bits, not burnt. Never ever going to get burnt. Nice split across here. Fat delivery mechanism, creating smoke. Speaking of smoke. In all honesty, I could just put the lid on and this would just cook through in like 2 more minutes, but it's not fun. I want to have fun, man. This is smelling pretty good. Pretty sure it's getting close to done. What? Can't just go off smell, can you? Nothing worse than an uncooked sausage. It's a geyser. Alright, column is done. Running low. Running low. Just realised I had the microphone pointing the wrong way round. Have you ever had our sausage? What I want to do is I want to try this outside piece, that one, and this inside piece. First off the bat, because I want to know, I already know, but I want to know difference, juicier, taste, flavour difference. Alright, so sauce free on the first bite, just so I can actually taste. Juicy, well cooked, and as much as I hate you Coles, that is a nice sausage. This one's a bit hotter. Flavour wise, it's the same, but juicy wise, inside bit, juicy as fuck. Well, there you go. Not a complicated cook, but turn something relatively boring to barbecue into something more interesting. We out. What does that look like?